myself Shravanti. Welcome to today's 10th science class. In today's class, we are going to discuss few topics in evolution. In the first one is evolution by stages. Evolution is not happened at a time. Okay, it happened bit by bit. Okay, it taken so many years of time to evaluate new species. So, in that the best example is evolution of eye. The first ruminant eye is that flatworms are having that eye. It is a spot-like structure. But now we are having advantages, so much complex eye. So the evolution to form the simple eye to this complex eye, the DNA had so many changes. So many changes happened in the DNA. Okay, so it happened stage by stage. And living organisms, fish, octopus, animals and human beings, birds, everyone is having eyes, but we are having different eyes. These all the difference is happened because of the changes in the DNA. And the next one is feathers. Actually, as feathers formation takes place in the bird because of one reason, but it overcomes that and they helped in other ways also. First, birds having feathers to protect themselves from the cold environments, but later it helps them to fly from one place to other place. So this is evolution. These two evolution of eyes and feathers, they are saying that it is not happened at a time. So many stages have happened in it. And come to the bird's feathers, we already learned fossil Archaeopteryx, which is a dinosaur having the bird feathers on its body. Now, so in that it is the connecting link between the birds and reptiles. It is showing that birds are evaluated from the reptiles and dinosaur is a reptile. Okay, next, evolution by artificial selection. We learned evolution is taking place by natural process because of environmental conditions. But few evolutions are selected by human beings also. For example, cabbage. That wild cabbage, agriculture farmers, in our country we are growing cabbage from 2000 years onwards. Okay, so first it is a wild cabbage, and from that the people, those who want a small distance between the leaves, they selected that species specially and they grown into the cabbage which we are using now. And broccoli also evaluated from the wild cabbage only. Cauliflower also evaluated from the wild cabbage. By the features which they want, people selected the specific species to grow. Like the wild cabbage, it is evaluated into different vegetables, cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, etc. Okay, and next, evaluation should not equated with progress. Means after evaluating the new species, that old species will not die because it is having few features. It can survive in the environmental conditions. Okay, so after evaluation of new species, that old one, it will not die. The example is bacteria, and we know that bacteria can survive in extreme conditions. They can survive in any conditions. Okay, so evolutions which are happening in the bacteria, they leads to another species, but the old one is again it is alive. Okay, and the next one is human evolution. We know that humans are evaluated from chimpanzees, but chimpanzees and humans are having common ancestors. Okay, the ancestors that producing two offsprings. One offspring is evaluated into human being and another one is chimpanzees. Okay, so by this we can say that evaluation which is happening in the stage by stage, that few organisms may have the same ancestors. And one more thing, in evaluation of humans, we already learned our humans are Homo sapiens. Okay, our footprints are found in Africa. Means our evolution started from the Africa. People who are there in Africa, they moved in different directions. They started traveling in different directions and they settled where they got good habitat. Okay, so like this the evaluation in humans happened, and after traveling they came back to meet again, and like this they spread all over the earth. Okay, so this is the evaluation in humans. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.